Okay, what do you want to say to Catherine?
Thank you. Thank you for the socks. Thank you for the sweaters. Thank you for the sweaters.
Okay, sit back down so she can see your face. And what else do you want to say?
Thank you for this. Happy Thanksgiving. Joy to the world.
And Merry
Christmas.
You want to sing a song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, little upon the twinkling stars, how can go to the
Okay, and then we...
for Christmas Eve.
And then say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay, and...